So I haven't been very active on YouTube. Yeah, crazy, huh? It's gotten so bad that I have dozens of folders full of footage for videos that never got created. A lot has happened since I was uploading consistently. I wanted to show off my original car, which was an '02 SR5 Sport 4Runner, but so much has happened that really the most you would have seen of it is on my social media. I now drive a Y2K Maxima. I also got married and had two beautiful children, one of which is adopted. Can you tell which one is adopted? No, don't guess. Neither of these people are my children and I am not married. Senior year of high school kicked my butt to say the least. Despite this, I was still creating content not for my channel, but my school. I had the opportunity of being in some of my school's video production classes. I filmed various events, edited various segments, and even had my fair share of appearances on screen. But even though I haven't been able to find some time to push content out on here, I brought my tech personality to the table and created my own talk show for the weekly news show. Good Morning Broken Arrow, GMBA or Gimba as we called it, went out every Wednesday to be shown to all of the advisory periods. Initially my idea seemed far-fetched and I was even told that most students wouldn't receive it well, but as it turns out, quite the opposite happened. So while I'm trying to get my life together to try and bring the channel back up to speed, here's a little something I like to call Jeff's Tech Talk.
Now let's take a look at a brand new segment here on GMBA, hosted by Jeffrey Thomas, also followed by another segment of Fit Check with Lauren. Here's Jeff's Tech Talk. Take it away, Jeff.
Good morning, Broken Arrow. My name is Jeffrey Thomas, and this is the first installment of Jeff's Tech Talk, the Q&A talk show where I answer all of your tech-related questions. Let's get right into it. Our first question today is from Technoru, and he asks, in your opinion, what is the best cell phone company based on overall features? Now, it's not Apple, in my honest opinion. They do have a great ecosystem, but just compared to a lot of other smartphone companies out there, they don't innovate a whole lot. Now, there are plenty of companies that I would probably put on like a list. OnePlus, Xiaomi, like all of those companies, they have a lot of like good aspects on their smartphones. But despite all of that, I'm probably gonna have to go with Samsung on this one. Now, I do like stock Android a whole lot, but realistically, I'm gonna have to give it to Samsung on this one. Circular Trash asks, is putting magnets around electronics a bad idea? Why so, and can you make a potato an actual computer? Magnets around electronics, technically, no, it won't do any damage. Unless you just have a massive magnet lying around, realistically, putting a magnet around a computer or any other electronic won't do any actual harm. And as for the potato question, yes, but it would take just a crazy amount of potatoes to power a computer. Caden04 asks, why my toaster have virus? Please fix. Is your toaster like Linux powered? I've seen some of those. I don't know about this one. I'm more impressed that you got a virus in the first place. So yeah, I think that's beyond my jurisdiction. Castaway Volleyball asks, how do I get Cool Math unblocked on the school Chromebooks? I don't know about that one. If I answer this question, I feel like I'll get in trouble with administration or something like that. Amira Zing asks, can you fix my refrigerator? How far does your technology extend? What about my oven? Jeff's Tech and Appliances? Trademark. I don't really know if I'm qualified enough to do so. I'm gonna say a maybe on that one. The Good Child 10 asks, Jeff, what is the purpose of life? What is the purpose of life? Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. But if you have any other tech-related questions, keyword tech-related, make sure to send them my way and maybe they'll be featured in the next episode. Anyways, guys, this is Jeff's Tech signing off.
So, what did you think? I plan on uploading the other episodes every now and then, so be on the lookout for those. The segment got better with time, but that was episode 1 of Jeff's Tech Talk. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching and I will see you later.